In this video, we'll discuss the wheelchair mode on your compatible smartwatch. This includes setup, features, and everything you need to get moving. There are two ways you can turn on wheelchair mode. One way is during the initial setup for your device. You can do this on your smartwatch or via the Garmin Connect app. Be sure to watch the Getting Started video for your model of smartwatch for setup tips. The second is through settings on your watch. Hold the bottom right button, then select Settings. Scroll down and select User Profile. Now scroll down and select Wheelchair Mode to turn it on. Now that you've activated Wheelchair Mode, let's talk about all the great features that come with it. With Wheelchair Mode, you won't be distracted by metrics you don't need. Instead, your watch will start tracking movements such as pushes throughout the day. You'll still be able to see all your health metrics, including body battery, heart rate, sleep, and more. Your watch also comes with wheelchair-specific activities to help you track how you move. These include push-based activities for indoor and outdoor push speeds, indoor and outdoor hand cycling, and more. Plus, your smartwatch has a variety of animated workouts you can follow for cardio, strength, HIIT, Pilates, and even yoga. To find these workouts, go to the Activities menu, then select one. Tap the arrow and select Workouts. And that's everything you need to know about wheelchair mode. Thanks for watching.